How to delete a profile on Netflix. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete a profile on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to delete a profile on Netflix, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Netflix application here. And once you launch the Netflix application, so Netflix is made up of profiles and you can add up to 5 profiles, but if you would like to delete a certain profile, it's very simple. When you open the Netflix app, you will be greeted with this type of interface where don't select any profile to log in. What you have to do is at the top right hand side you'll find a pencil icon. Tap on the pencil like icon and here you'll find a list of profiles. So just select the profile that you would like to delete here. Scroll down, at the very bottom you'll find this trash icon that also says delete profile. So you can tap the delete profile button, tap on the delete button to delete that profile. That's all it takes to delete your profile on Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.